January 3rd, 2018. Right now we're looking at a geocolor image of the southeast. So you can see this outline of Florida right here. Now, we got they named it Winter Storm Grayson. Okay. Now this has already left snow in Jacksonville and into South Carolina. I've seen some show up on the map over here in, I believe, Mississippi. And as you can see up here, how it's cooking off the coast. And you'll see this semicircles going right there. And you'll see the semicircle outline here, the microwave patterns. Now we'll go. This storm's really cooking right now. We'll go look right here. This is, watch at the end. Right now it's really starting to bloom up right there at the end. Now they've been working on this for a few days. Look at that. We'll scroll down here. This is the this is part of the new Ghost 16. I'm not real familiar with all these. This is shortwave infrared. The 3.9 angstroms. And that is... Band 7 has a variety of applications including fire detection, cloud particle size retrievals, and differentiating between liquid water and ice clouds. Fire hot spots will show up as relatively small dark gray to black pixels. I don't know that there's a fire going on down here, but perhaps in the sky, though. We'll move on. This is a visible water vapor image off the new Ghost 16, and you can just see it cooking. See it cooking right there where my mouse is. Oh, it starts down here, and you can see it being pushed up. Now we'll take a look at the recent next-red activity. That's not showing up too well on my phone camera. I want to download a nice screen record, but I just haven't had the time to. I don't want to download something and screw up my computer. And this is today in the northeast. As you can see, where I'm right around here. And you see all this haze coming over. It was all left by planes. Go here. These pictures I took today. Where did it start? Right here. I was on my way to work, so I didn't get but you can see how the sun's all blotted out there. So I took a picture of my rearview mirror. And then it just kept spraying and spraying until, yeah, you got the halo. You can see a trail right there. Right there. And then we'll look at the wind. And right here, as you can see, they're calling this a bombogenesis, or a weather bomb, or a storm that's bombed out, or a winter cyclone. There's all kinds of names they're calling this fucking thing. But as you can see there, now let's just take a look at the wind. Yeah, there's all that, but we'll move on here. And here, and as you can see, there's quite a forcing going on right here, and from Texas on down into the Gulf, ramming right up in that thing. And here's another look at the southeast. Getting a bunch of interference signals. I haven't seen these. Well, this started recently that I've noticed these interference patterns. These rings, or the lines across the screen. I don't know what's causing it, but we'll move on. Here I have highlighted of what they're, well, here's a post I made. I call it a snow clone. You know, last year we had Snowclone Stella. Well, this year, we're having Snowclone Grayson. Okay, what a snowclone is, or what a cyclogenesis or bombogenesis. It's an explosive cyclogenesis, also referred to as a weather bomb, a meteorological bomb, explosive deployment or development, or bombogenesis. Okay, refers in a strict sense to a rapidly deepening extratropical cyclonic low pressure area. To enter this category, the central pressure of a depression at 60 degrees latitude is required to decrease by 24 millibars or more in 24 hours. Okay, so you got that. So pressure's got to drop, right, rapidly, and it says 24 right there. Now they're saying this one could drop as much. I've seen as much as 64 millibars in 24 hours. So we'll see what happens. Last year when Snowclone Stella hit, now we only got 8 inches of snow, but further north, and especially along the coast, there was really high winds. I even seen where there was avalanches in Pennsylvania. Like, it's some crazy shit there. But anyways, so you can see this storm bubbling up. And this is just the beginning. So we'll see how if they can intensify this, because you can see it's all carved out. It's got the line in it, and the forcing and all that, the microwave patterns. This is not a natural occurrence. They've been working on this for at least a week. I've seen them spraying all their shit in the Gulf, over Florida, over Cuba, off the coast there, right where it's blowing up. So anyways, there's the beginning of Snowclone Grayson.